How to see saved reels on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. If you have saved a reel before, you can find it in your saved collection. To do this, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three-line menu at the top right. From the menu that appears, select Saved. Here, you will see all the posts you have saved, including reels, photos, and other videos. To find only your saved reels, tap on the All Posts section. This will show every type of saved content. Scroll through the list and you will see your saved reels. If you want to remove a reel from your saved collection, open the reel and tap the three-dot menu, then tap Unsave. This will remove it from your saved list, but the reel will still be available on Instagram if you want to find it again later. You can also organize your saved reels into different collections by tapping the plus icon in the Saved section and creating a new collection. This makes it easier to find specific reels later. That's how to see saved reels on Instagram.